using the program to find the sum of the square of 1 to n numbers, and also to print out the list of the numbers. So first of all, since it's 1 to n, we need an input box that will receive. Let's go to form to create a form. Good. Method is equal to what? Post. Let's close the form. So what we want to do is that just simple program. Enter the value of n. So we need an input box, input text box. So input type is equal to text. So the name of the variable name num to represent the input text box. I think we can close it. The next line you can have break the line. Then let's submit button. Another input type is equal to what? Submit button. Then the name of the we can make it to be compute. We should compute the value to be equal to what? Compute. I think we have designed a form. You can check it from the design menu. I think those are the things we need. So now we can now move to the coding. So whatever we supply under the input box should be executed. We start with PHP. PHP. We close it with PHP. If open bracket I set is equal to $sign post compute. We close the quotation. I think if this, then she executes what is inside this parenthesis. So now we can now assign the value of num to another variable here. We call it variable n. So what was posted under this num should be assigned there. You understand now? So we have assigned whatever we input from the text box into variable n. Then the next is we need variable sum that will hold our value whatsoever we sum. Then secondly, we set a loop for You can use any variable name. Let's use k is equal to 1 semicolon $k is less than or equal to the value of what? N semicolon $k plus plus. You close the bracket. You open the parentheses and you close the parentheses. So I'm getting here. Let's P represents the square. $k. The square of k raised to power 2 abi should be, yeah, that's the sign of raised to power 2. Double asterisk. So now raised to power 2 is this. Then the summation should be assigned into sum plus $p semicolon. So let's print out what? Let's print out, let me break the line, move to another line. Let's print out the value, which is k, is equal to the square, which is p, $p. At the end of each column, you put semicolon. At the end of each statement, you put semicolon. So now, I can now come down here and say print the sum of the square is what? Is sum. So you have the semicolon here. So let's save our work as some pp.php. Some pp is okay. It has been saved. So can we run the program? Let me go to localhost. Some pp. So if we put 9 here, these are results. Let me adjust so that the other one moves to the next line. The sum of the squares should move to the next line. Save it again. So if I put 12 here, we have this result. If I put 24 here, you have the result and the sum of the square. I think you are okay.